Okay, I know this looks bad. I know it does. But if I maybe cry, I'm leaving for 2 years. Maybe they will cut me some slack, so. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for all of your love and support on my first video about, well, not my first video on YouTube, but my first video about Peace Corps. It has been absolutely overwhelming. So I wanted to come back to you guys with a packing video, like what I'm packing for Peace Corps. So I kind of just like wanted to explain a couple things because I am a psycho when it comes to packing. Like I will pack things 5,000 times. Like I was packing probably like a month ago because I started to get everything together, see what I needed, etc., etc. But this has been particularly challenging for a couple of reasons. The first one is that I am packing for hot climates, but also for cold climates, because a lot of people, whether it was like the mentor that I got, who has been really amazing, by the way, or some blogs that I had read about Peace Corps Morocco, they say that the training is actually in a cold area, or that it gets really cold during training. That's really something important to keep in mind. In addition to those two things, like the two different climates that I'm packing for, I have to dress modestly. So even for the times where I'm gonna be somewhere that's hot, and I'm going to a Muslim country, so I definitely need to dress modest by Peace Corps standards, by the country standards, and also by my own standards. So I'm trying to keep it very modest, very clean. Third thing is that you only get one of your 2 packed bags for the first 3 months. So yeah, we get 2 packed bags, 50 pounds each. And I also have a carry-on and a book bag. So I'm the person that's gonna stuff everything. I'm not gonna lie, I'm the overpacker. So that's going to probably make me sad later whenever I'm carrying 100 pounds worth of stuff. But I wanna talk about the things that I'm packing just a little bit. So I kind of have this organized. You can't really tell, but for me it's organized. So this is everything I want to pack in my second bag, and then this row is everything I want to pack in my first bag, and then, you know, toiletries, and then like miscellaneous stuff that I'm gonna split between the 2 bags. So let's talk about the first bag. In training, so I have a pair of like heavy boots. Everyone says that I might have snow the first couple. Oh, let me stand not in front of the light. That I might have snow, so it's really important to have not only snow boots, but like a heavy scarf. And then under here is my winter coat. And then this is like the little fuzzy that goes in my winter coat. Also, everyone recommended a rain jacket. I don't know. I've never had a rain jacket because I just like to get sick, I guess, and go out in the rain. Also in my first bag is like some cardigans, like loose ones, heavy ones. And then I have like, y'all don't even need to see the business, but I have like a million pairs of underwear. I have like at least 30 because someone told me that like I will most likely be hand washing my laundry, and so, you know, I don't know, you guys tell me, would you rather do a lot of laundry at once, or would you rather do small loads more often? I have like a bunch of t-shirts. I have like warm hoodies for the first couple months that I'm there, and then for like the second bag I have like my shorts that I'm gonna wear around like in my hopefully apartment. I'm assuming that I'm gonna have an apartment after I get placed in my permanent site. A lot of t-shirts and like tanks and stuff. And then I brought like my kind of like more like summery like tanks and stuff that I can wear, not necessarily in Morocco, but more like if I wanted to hop on over to Europe and stuff like that, to places that are less modest, I guess, as far as clothing. I have like a couple pairs of like cute sandals for when I travel, and then I have like my sturdy Skechers. I don't care. I wanted Tevas, but like the Skechers were half the price, and I've been wearing these everywhere. I just got my sturdy Nikes for like playing soccer, I guess. I don't play soccer, but I know that everyone else around the world plays soccer, so I hope these little kids kick my butt. And then it was recommended that I take 3 months of toiletries. So because the first 3 months of training are going to be intense apparently, and so like we might not have a chance really to go out to the store and buy things. I have like really crazy curly hair, so I figured if I ever decided that I wanted to like Right now my hair's in braids, and I did that for a very important reason, and that's so that I don't have to deal with my hair for at least a few weeks while I'm getting settled in Morocco. And then I plan on kind of like, if I need to take this hair out and then like do different braids just to keep my hair out of my face, I was gonna do that. But then afterwards, like, I plan on wearing my hair natural, so I brought, like, my hair just hates me unless I put, like, good stuff in it. So anyone with curly hair, like, or even just, like, unruly hair that has, like, very specific products, like, you'll understand me. And then I guess everything else is miscellaneous. Like, this is, like, my makeup bag. This is, you know, for girls only. Don't worry about that. This is also, like, this is hair stuff. And these are just, like, scarves. I feel like those will come in handy. And then I have, like, a quick dry towel and a normal towel. And then I have, like, reusable bags over there, including, like, a really nice one for, like, overnight. And then I have this little, it's like a thin blanket. This is, like, a map that I'm taking to decorate my apartment. This one is, too. So, yeah. That is where I'm at right now with packing. So I'm actually I'm leaving in 2 days. Like, I leave the day after tomorrow at 7:45 in the morning. So this all is getting packed, like, right now. So I'm about to pack it. And if you guys don't think I can fit all of that into these 2 bags, like, bet me. Leave a bet down in the comment. Bet me $10. I bet you $10 I can fit all of this, including, I didn't even show you, this giant sleeping bag. I don't even know if you can see it. Let me flip my camera. This giant sleeping bag that weighs 3 pounds. And then I'm gonna do a little weight reveal at the end. I'm gonna come back, weigh myself, and then step on the scale with my bag and show you if it made the weight requirement. Okay, so this is my first bag. So as you can see, I put all my toiletries that I wanted in that bag. But I wanted to come and show you the weight reveal. When I, like, close it, you'll see, like, so it's bulging just a tad. Down here I still got a lot of space, actually. So let's just go ahead and weigh it. So first I'm going to weigh myself. Basically 135 is where I'm at. I'm about to pick this bad boy up. I'm not even at 180. Sweet, I still have 5 more pounds, you guys. I still have 5 more pounds that I can put in this bag. Okay, I'm just gonna pack the second one first, and then we'll see if I need to take stuff out of that one. Yeah, we'll do that. Yo, okay. This is what's left. This stuff actually I was probably gonna put in my book bag anyways. I'm really interested to see how much this weighs. I stuffed my big old sleeping bag in it. Y'all ready for this? Here we go. 1, 2. Oh no, I'm a little over. Okay. That could be a really bad thing. I will deal with that at the airport. That is a problem for future Michaela. Either way, I'm gonna come back and show you my book bag. Maybe, like, I can take stuff out of my book bag or out of my suitcase and put it in my book bag. I don't know, but usually also airlines, like, they don't care if it's within a couple pounds. And if I maybe cry, I'm leaving for 2 years, maybe they will cut me some slack. So hey everyone, so I'm gonna make this video short. It is the next day. So in my carry-on, this is going to be 9 days worth of clothes, business casual. That's what they said we have to do for the first 9 days. So I just need to add these last few things. I have my travel size toiletries. We already went over what those things are, and my pair of Converse. And then my book bag gets a little heavy because I am the queen of school supplies. I have notebooks like crazy. Like I have like a journal, an Arabic notebook. These ones are probably gonna use for like the training. I have a bullet journal, an idea notebook that I like use for like YouTube ideas and stuff. So I'm just like the queen of that. I actually have 10 packs of these flashcards. Like, I'm just that person. I brought a book, but I really don't read that often, which is like really sad. I think school burned me out from reading. So I would rather sit and study flashcards than anything because I am a huge language person. These are like my little adapters for plugs. And then this is my camera case. My external hard drive, you guys, I had one and it took a crap on me. So I bought a new one and this case to keep it safe. And then this is just like some headphones. I actually have 2 other pairs of headphones like in here in my purse. So yeah, and my book bag is just this JanSport one. I almost had to get a new one because my zipper was broken, but thank goodness for grandma's because my grandma fixed it. So that's everything. Guys, it's tomorrow. I leave tomorrow. So I guess I will come back. Actually, I'm probably gonna make like a little segment at the airport and show you guys how much my bags weighed. Sorry this video is gonna be hella long, but that's okay. So I will see you guys next time. Good. It's okay. We are in business, people. Oh no, does that one feel heavier?
Oh my God. That is good.
I'm blessed.